Hi guys, it's Jenna here from Windy Hill on the campus. I am creating this tutorial for you for how to use Copilot to sign up for lunch to pre-register. So you're going to go ahead and go into your browser, which mine is Google Chrome. It'll look like this with Google. You might have some other search bar or service that you're using. But when you're in here, you're just going to go in and you're going to type in community.copilot21.com. Because I have signed in on this computer before, it already has saved my email address and password. If you have not been on a specific device, you might have to sign in. If you've never signed in before, you are going to have to register for an account. To do that, you will click this little hyperlink up here. It says register. You will need your ID card number, which is on the scan card that you use when you come to the center. So that number that's on your scan card, you will type in here, and then your date of birth, your email address. You'll confirm your email address, and then you'll create a password, and your password must be a minimum of 5 characters in length, and then you'll confirm by retyping that same password again. I'm going to go ahead and log in. And this screen pops up. This is the home screen for Copilot. When we're registering for lunches, there are a few ways you can do this. One of those ways, if you're going to be registering like a day in advance, is you can just look over here at upcoming events and you can click on regular lunch for the next day and you can click register. And then you are already successfully pre-registered for that lunch. When I go back to home, I will see a little check mark. That check mark is indicating that I had signed up for regular lunch for Friday, June 12th. As another way to do this though, you can also go to pre-registration at the top. And when you click on that, you will see the different days. Regular lunch is not available on Friday because I had already signed up for that. But if I go to next week, I know that next week we have a Father's Day lunch, which I have already signed up for here. You see a little check mark, and that's next Wednesday. So if I maybe want to have lunch on Tuesday instead, I could click on Tuesday's regular lunch and I could click register. And once I do that, I am pre-registered and signed up to have lunch at Windy Hill. If I go back to my pre-registration screen, I can also decide not to have lunch. So maybe you registered and you say, oh no, I have something else going on, I can't make it. Well, it's important for you to tell us that you can't make it so we can give that meal to someone else. So I'm going to go in here on that date that I just clicked before, June 16th, and I'm going to unregister. When I click unregister, I am successfully removed from that pre-registration list. So I am no longer pre-registered for lunch with just that simple click. So if I go back to pre-registration and next, I no longer have that little check mark beside Tuesday next week because I am no longer having lunch. I unregistered myself. If you want to see what's for lunch, you can go to the lunch menu at the top and it will show you what the lunches are for the week, the current week. You can also do list view, which when you click on list view, it gives it to you in this kind of view instead. And you can also do calendar view. And this is what calendar view looks like. You can see the whole month, and you can see what is for lunch each of those days. So really that's all there is to signing up for lunch on Copilot. You can go to the home screen. That'll take you back to the home screen and back to where we're at here in the current week. If you have questions, if you have any kind of questions, just go ahead and reach out. You can reach out using Facebook Messenger. You can call us. You can email us. You can talk to us when you're there for drive-through takeout service. But we're here for you, and we want to help you through this and help you to learn how to use this Copilot and other virtual tools a little bit better than what you already know. So please give it a try, and we look forward to your return to the center, and have a wonderful day.